Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install a D3D x39.dll file for Sims 3 or GTA 4. First of all, I should mention you shouldn't download this file separately on this DLL download websites. And D3D x931.dll file is a part of DirectX 9. Even if you have Windows 10 installed, you only have libraries for DirectX 11 and 12. And some games still need DirectX 9. To download it, just download this web installer from Microsoft's website. I will give the link in the description. Uncheck this box. After the file is downloaded, just run it. Accept the agreement. Click next. Then it will scan your device for required DirectX components and download it from the official website and install, and you will have the error fixed. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.